Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mad Investor. As you know, I like to cover a lot of new opportunities, promotions, and launch pools and launch pads. These are kind of my favorites, and I like to cover them. So this time, I'm coming to you with a new launch pool, actually on Bybit. So Bybit have created, and I also partner with Bybit to cover those of more because I can see that they have a lot of potentials, the same as the other exchanges which I have already covered before. And this launch pool, I'm kind of in the middle of it, but I already have a next one for you to go, so don't worry. So what we'll talk about today is the A8. A8 is a new launch pool on the Bybit where you can stake A8 USDT or MNT to earn a share of the 9 million of A8. So as you can see, because you can already stake A8, that means it's already listed on that exchange. And within that, the details about itself. So there is an A8 pool which has a 2.7 million rewards with minimum of 200 A8. The MNT pool with a total rewards of 1.8 million for A8 with minimum staking amount of 100 MNT, and USDT pool with total reward of 4.5 million A8 with minimum staking amount 100 USDT. And when it comes to that, the details about the project itself, so A8 is actually Ancient 8, which is a comprehensive ecosystem of gaming products that offer game studios the essential infrastructure to build, grow, and monetize their games. So we're looking into gaming, which aims to create the ultimate playground where the players can enjoy and own their gaming experience, which then you can benefit from a variety of incentives, including high-quality gameplay, community-driven economy, quests, guild scholarships, and more. And I think this is a pretty cool direction when it comes to the project itself. So you can actually go to their website and see how it's built and how it's done. So building on the edge of gaming, beautifully done website done for the gaming itself. So their kind of direction is making the gaming on Ethereum, making it possible, and kind of making it on the Optimism superchain. So I very much like it. This is a cool project which kind of connects obviously the Web3 with normal daily users. And as you can see, they have a lot of different partnerships which they work with. And it's pretty cool. We can see that trusted by a lot of exchanges, a lot of projects, and pretty well built website as well. So you can also learn a bit more about it, about their mainnet, their bridge, acceler, their staking option, because there is also for the staking option here inside that. But today we'll talk about the Bybit option. So within the Bybit, this promotion runs from the 17th of July until the 24th of July at 10 UTC. So as you can see, you have kind of three different pools, I would call it. So first it says register to participate. You successfully registered for the event, get ready to stake A8 MNT USDT to grab a piece of that. I'll press OK. And now I can see what are the APRs and what is the total stake. So as you can see, there is not that many users because it's like 90,000 users, which I think it's less than some of the other exchanges which I cover on my channel, but still, it's still a lot of money. So in USDT, we can see $82 million, 44 million MNT, and 5.7 million of the A8. And that's a lot. That's a lot of money. So that means staking ends in 4 days since the moment I actually record this video. And you can see different APRs. So obviously with USDT and MNT, you have 58% and 64%. If you're a VIP user, then it actually goes higher. But if you then restake, which means actually compound, I would say, if you restake A8 pool, so if you stake A8 to earn A8, then the APR it's 800%. So that's a huge part. And how to do it? It's very easy. You just press stake to earn. You put the amount you would like to put, minimum amount in A8 it's 200, and then you agree to the launch for service agreement and press confirm. As easy as that, you just been able to stake that to that launch pool. And I think this is pretty cool because, with that launch pool, we can see that, you know, it finishes at the 24th, as I mentioned, and the listing was at the July 17 or at 10 a.m. So that means it's kind of the same time where everything started, the listing also appeared. So they also made the 8 token splash, which was 500,000 of 8 price pool. Which is happening from July 17 to July 31st. When you complete the deposit and trading task listed on the token splash token, you can earn big. So this is kind of the extra events. So when you actually press register now, you can see that you can participate in that token splash. Let me actually find it here. Okay, it's right here. So 500,000, there's almost 20,000 people participating in it. So when I press join now, which you can do as well, you're going to see what are kind of the kind of requirements. So you have yet to register for this event, register now to be eligible for the reward. So first, register to participate, then complete the task. The task is to trade at least 500 USDT worth of 8 on spot, and I can assume that, you know, wash trade, which is just buying and selling at the same time, are kind of not included. So it's about, you know, buying and probably holding. So and then you can earn up to 1,250 A8. Your final allocation, your trading volume, your trading volume slash total trading volume of all participants times price pool. So that's pretty cool. And there is also a second one, which is a new users only. By the way, if you don't have a Bybit account, you can grab the link in the description of this video to grab extra perks like this one. This one is a cool perk, which is a new user only. Deposit and earn from 350,000 8 price pool. So what's that about? If you are registering on Bybit, you just need to register to the campaign, then complete it between 17th and 31st. So the task 1 is to deposit at least 250 A8, and then or task 2, deposit 100 USDT and trade 100 USDT of A8. So it's literally deposit 100 USDT and buy 100 or USDT of A8. I would do like 105 to always have it, you know, just slightly bigger. And because of it, you also get 70 A8, which I think it's a pretty cool promotion. And obviously, it's a part of the price pool, which is 350,000. So let's actually see what is the current price of the A8, because it is at this moment listed. So that means that if we go to spot trading, and so within the spot trading, we're going to search for the pairs. Let's see if it's right here. Should be. Come on. Okay, thank you. A8 USDT. So currently, one A8 at 0.23 USDT. So we can see that within the last kind of days, it listed at 0.1 and it's now on 0.2. So that means it kind of went up by around 100% since the listing, which I think is pretty decent. So this is kind of it when it comes to those the launch pools. You can find the link in the description of this video to register and find it. If you are on Bybit, you just need to go to the trade, then SpotX, and on SpotX you have the launchpad and launch pools. So this is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe so you know everything that's going on and you're up to date with the Mad Investor. And see you in the next video. Take care.
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures we found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds. Unlocking the secrets of the blockchain.